Hello everyone! In this video, I will teach you to calculate your sensitivity in just 1 minute. Many of you find it very difficult to adjust the sensitivity like this. All you need is a red dot to learn how to calculate your sensitivity. The method is very simple and easy to learn. So without wasting any time, let's start the teaching. Go to the settings, sensitivity. Suppose your red dot sensitivity is 45. Now use the calculator to calculate the 45 by 1.5. We get this base number of 67.5. Now come to 2x scope sensitivity. Divide this 67.5 by 2, 33.75. Adjust it to the 2x scope sensitivity. Absolutely no problem. Now come to the 3x scope sensitivity. Divide this 67.5 by 3, 22.5. Adjust it to the 3x scope sensitivity. Same method applies to the 4x scope sensitivity. Divide this 67.5 by 4, 16.875. Adjust it to the 4x scope sensitivity. Same method for both 6x and 8x sensitivity. Divide 67.5 by 6. Adjust it to the 6x scope sensitivity. Divide 67.5 by 8. Adjust it to the 8x scope sensitivity. For ADS sensitivity, use the same method. Let's say the ADS sensitivity of your red dot is 57. Use the calculator to calculate the 57 by 1.5. We get the base number 85.5. Use the same trick, that is, divide the base number by the scope number. Comment if you want part 2.